Power utilities rely on a vast network of remote infrastructure and electrical assets. Keeping them in top condition is critical for reliability, safety, and compliance. Introducing TAMS, the Transmission Asset Management System, an ultimate solution for managing power transmission assets efficiently and intelligently. All transmission lines as grid data of the asset owner can be visualized in dashboard. Further, each asset details can be accessed by choosing the required one. In each asset details, the entire line information is available for the users. Users can quickly see the details of the towers like location, type, weight, type of foundation, quantities, etc. Similarly, users can also see the details of spans like span length, maximum sag, wire length, bird diverters, etc. The entire line details is visually summarized for analyzing the data. All the components used in the line, like circuit details, conductors and their properties, ground wires and their properties, insulators, hardware, foundations, site works are summarized along with the quantities. Technical parameters and quantities at each tower location, at each span are detailed out for quick reference in future. Tower quantities, towers weight and foundation quantities for entire line are detailed out and categorized based on type of tower, based on type of soils. TAMS also provide framework to store the project-related documents related to engineering, or site pictures during construction, maintenance schedules and records, or specifications for quick and easy reference. TAMS also collects and reports live and forecast weather data. Safety thresholds can be specified so that TAMS can monitor and report as alerts in case of alarming situation. TAMS is equipped with several applications that are useful during project estimation, construction, operation, and maintenance. TAMS is also available in mobile app for ease of use during inspection and maintenance. All the data is provided in user-friendly forms for quick reference. Users can also capture photos at site and upload for future reference. With TAMS, you get end-to-end asset management throughout their entire life cycle. With dashboards and data analytics, TAMS empowers you to make smarter, data-driven decisions that optimize asset utilization, reduce downtime, and extend asset lifespan. Join the future of intelligent asset management with TAMS, because power transmission deserves precision.